The debate over whether to require children to wear masks in school does not appear to be quieting down, and now the issue is being taken to court. Good evening, everyone. Masks are now required inside schools across New York State. This is an effort to slow down the spike in COVID-19 cases in children. The Erie County Department of Health says the positivity rate is highest among people under the age of 19. In some cases, the rate is as high as 10%. Children under 12 are not eligible for the vaccine, and because of that, less than a quarter of people aged 19 and under have received their first dose. Now, some parents are now trying to sue and get this school mask mandate blocked. Natalie Fahmy reports on the precedent that was set. That means this lawsuit will likely be defeated.
There's no justification for putting masks on their face, going down to 2-year-olds.
A lawsuit filed in Albany County challenges the state's mask mandate in schools.
Anybody else who wants to wear face masks, anyway, wear them, go for it. But these kids should not be mandated.
According to the Erie County Department of Health, last week there were 118 cases in children ages 0 to 9 and 185 cases in 10 to 19.
Vaccination is our best means to protect our children, but many have not been vaccinated. Mask use is the next most important mitigation measure.
While this isn't the first lawsuit of its type, health officials are warning against unmasking children before they can get vaccinated.
If we then remove that mask mandate, there's no question that transmission will increase.
That's a parental decision. It's not a school decision.
Dr. Thomas Russo says unmasking children goes beyond students infecting one another.
They're going to interact with their parents and their grandparents, who obviously are more vulnerable.
But the lawsuit argues masks harm kids and can hinder their ability to learn. Dr. Russo says that's not necessarily true.
Our children are home with their parents most of the day as well without masks, and gives them ample opportunity to learn speech.
How hopeful are you that this lawsuit ends up being successful and these mask mandates for kids do end up going away?
I think we have a very poor chance.
Even though those filing the suit doubt they can win, they say it's a risk worth taking.
There are constitutional objections to requiring anybody to wear a face mask without good reason.
A virus that's transmitted through respiratory secretions will be blocked when people wear masks.
In Buffalo, Natalie Fahmy, 7 Eyewitness News.
Students in Buffalo will soon have a new option. The Buffalo Public School District has agreed to buy almost 250,000 clear mouth face masks. These are for students in pre-kindergarten through 8th grade, particularly students who are going through speech lessons. The masks will cost the district almost $500,000.